Hi, I'm Jason Wilk, and in this video, we'll be showing you how to install the 90155Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on this CS400 chainsaw. Before we get started, we just want to make sure we have safety glasses, a 19mm spark plug wrench, a piece of wire we can form into the shape of a hook so we can go ahead and pull the fuel filter from the fuel tank, and of course your 90155Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and take the chain brake handle and push it forward to engage the chain brake. We'll move the ignition switch to the stop position, and then we'll also close the choke by pulling on the choke lever out towards the rear handle of the saw. To access the air filter, we'll loosen this air filter cover knob, remove the cover, and then in order to remove the air filter, there's a plastic retainer on here that just needs to be unthreaded in a counterclockwise direction. Once that's loose, we can pull the old air filter out, install the new air filter, rethread on the air filter retainer, clockwise direction until it's snug. Simple as that. Now that the air filter has been replaced, we'll go ahead and move on to the spark plug. To replace the spark plug, we'll go ahead and pull the spark plug boot off the top of the spark plug. We'll need a 19mm wrench to go ahead and unthread the spark plug from the engine in a counterclockwise direction. To install the new spark plug, first we'll just start the threads with our fingertips. Should thread in easily. And then we'll finish tightening the spark plug into the engine with our 19mm wrench in a clockwise direction. Once the spark plug is tight into the engine, we'll go ahead and snap on our spark plug boot back onto the top of the spark plug. Now that the new air filter and spark plug have been installed, we can go ahead and reinstall our air filter cover and tighten by hand securely. The last part of the tune-up process is replacing the fuel filter. The fuel filter is found inside the fuel tank, so to gain access to that, we'll go ahead and unthread the fuel filter. There's a little plastic lanyard, we'll just go ahead and pull that out. And then using that piece of wire, just kind of bent in the shape of a hook, we'll go ahead and reach down into the fuel tank, grab a hold of the fuel line, and we'll pull the fuel line with the fuel filter attached at the end out. Then in order to replace the fuel filter, we'll just kind of grab onto this line in the clamp here. We'll go ahead and pull the old filter off, take the new filter, reinstall it onto the end of the line, and just make sure that clamp is reinstalled with the line. Then all we have to do is go ahead and take the fuel filter, push it back into the fuel tank, and then reinstall your fuel cap. This completes the installation of the 90155Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on the CS400. This kit also fits the CS370 model, which the install procedures are the same. So thanks again for watching, and please be sure to check back for additional videos.